To a DIY project that will guarantee a white Christmas, no matter what Kevin Eubank has to say, at least on the inside of your home. Flocked trees have really come back in vogue. Have you been spotting these? But the good news is you don't have to say goodbye to your traditional green. We spotted this snow-kissed tree on Instagram with DIY encouragement from our good friend Katie Oborn, and Katie is joining us via Skype now to share how she did it with that beautiful tree over your left shoulder. I am so intrigued about how this project worked for you. Yes, there it is. White. Tell us what your tree looked like before you flocked it.
So this tree was given to me last year, and it's a 7.5-foot slim tree.
Okay.
But it had great shape. And so I thought, you know what? I have had my eye on a flocked tree for years, but they are expensive. So I wanted to try it myself and went for it. What
product did you use? I wouldn't even know where to start in terms of supplies.
So I bought, it's actually called Flock in a Box off
okay.
Amazon. And you get a 5-pound bag or a box for $27. So it's really affordable.
All right.
And I only used about half of the powder that comes in it. So other than that, you really just need a tarp or something to lay down under your tree because it is a messy project.
Uh-huh.
And a squirt bottle full of water and a sifter or something to shake the powder onto the tree with, and the flock powder. That's it.
Okay, so walk us through the process.
So I strung my lights on my tree first. I wanted the cords to be hidden. So I did that first. Mm-hmm. And you basically just squirt the tree where you're going to place the powder. And the water activates the bond in the powder. So I did it section by section. It was a little bit easier to do it that way. But as you can see in the video, even my 2-year-old got in on the fun. And it really is just, the powder is like the consistency of almost like powdered sugar. So it's really fun.
It sticks well?
It does stick well. I would say it does take quite a bit of water. I squirted the branch first. Then I would shake the powder on it, and then I had to go back a few times and keep squirting it to really seal in the bond.
Okay, okay.
But we've decorated the tree now, and it is messy in the transfer, but I would say overall it has held up really good.
So we're looking at like $30. You gave us the cost. What was the time commitment? How long did it take you, would you say, start to finish?
For a 7.5-foot tree, and this one's a slimmer tree, start to finish, it was probably less than an hour.
Oh my gosh. Maybe. Well, the results are stunning. For someone like me, and I know you were in the same boat, kind of tapping your toes, wanting to splurge on a brand new tree. What a great way to update the one you already have.
Yes.
It looks awesome.
So it's a really fun project, one that anybody can do.
Katie, thank you so much. Great to see you, my friend. We appreciate it.